Imagine standing in the middle of the Sahara Desert. The temperature is over 50 degrees Celsius. There's almost no rain. The ground is dry, cracked, and lifeless. Now imagine seeing giant watermelons growing right there. Not tiny melons, not average-sized fruit. We're talking about massive, juicy watermelons that look completely impossible. At first, everyone thought it had to be fake, but what happened next surprised even experts. Welcome back. Today, we're exploring one of the most unbelievable farming experiments ever imagined. Could futuristic technology actually turn one of Earth's harshest deserts into productive farmland? Could giant watermelons really grow where almost nothing survives? And if they can, could this change the future of agriculture forever? Let's find out. The Sahara is the world's largest hot desert. It stretches across North Africa and covers millions of square kilometers. During the day, the sun bakes the sand. Temperatures soar. Water evaporates almost instantly. Rainfall is extremely rare. The soil contains very little organic matter. For centuries, farmers believed growing large fruits here would be nearly impossible. But some innovators refused to accept that answer. Instead of fighting nature, they decided to work with technology. The first challenge? Water. Instead of flooding the fields, every drop was delivered directly to each plant through precision irrigation. Underground moisture sensors constantly monitored the soil. Artificial intelligence analyzed weather conditions. Solar panels powered pumps throughout the day. Protective shade structures reduced heat stress. Organic compost helped transform dry sand into nutrient-rich growing beds. Beneficial microbes improved soil health. Every part of the system worked together. Nothing was wasted. Every watermelon plant received exactly what it needed. No more, no less. Slowly, something incredible began happening. Tiny green vines started spreading across what was once lifeless sand. At first, the seedlings looked completely normal. But after several weeks, growth accelerated. Leaves became enormous. The vines stretched farther every day. Flowers appeared everywhere. Soon, small watermelons started forming. Then, they kept growing and growing. Some became far larger than expected. Workers measured them every single week. Each harvest looked more unbelievable than the last. Visitors couldn't stop taking photos. Many thought the images had been edited, but the fields were real. Green vines stretched across golden dunes like something from another world. As pictures spread online, millions of people watched in disbelief. Some called it the future of farming. Others questioned whether deserts could eventually help feed growing populations. Researchers became interested in improving water efficiency. Engineers explored smarter irrigation systems. Farmers wondered if similar methods could work in other dry regions. The conversation became much bigger than watermelons. People started asking, what else could grow here? Imagine deserts producing food instead of remaining barren. Imagine renewable energy powering entire farms. Imagine crops using only a fraction of the water required by traditional agriculture. The future may not depend on finding more farmland. It may depend on making impossible places productive. While every desert presents unique environmental and economic challenges, advances in irrigation, soil improvement, renewable energy, and precision agriculture continue to expand what's possible in some arid regions. The dream of greener deserts is no longer just science fiction. It's becoming an area of real innovation. So, could giant watermelons one day become a common sight in the Sahara? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: human creativity continues to push the limits of what's possible. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of extreme agriculture, hit like, subscribe to Sand Miracle, and turn on notifications, because next time, we're exploring another unbelievable experiment, growing blue bananas in the Sahara Desert. Trust us, you won't want to miss it.